So with your Ex Libris cases being migrated across from your existing portal, as I mentioned, it'll be all open cases and your closed cases from 2015 or later. So while these cases will receive a new case number in the support portal, the original Ex Libris case number is still listed here in its own particular field called the Ex Libris case number field, and that field is a searchable field. So if you have any cases in your existing Ex Libris portal and you know the case number, that case number can still be searched quite easily. This is the screen for the case comments tab. You can enter any case comments here, and ProQuest and Ex Libris staff comments will also appear in this area as well. So again, you can adjust you can choose whether to wrap or clip text. And wrap text is particularly useful here because it will make longer comments visible. And the comments list can also be sorted by the user or whether they're public or not, the created date, and the column headers. And again, column widths can also be adjusted by sliding the column vertical dividers. On the attachments tab, any files that are attached to the case are listed here, and you can add any new files by clicking the Upload Files button. And then there's the knowledge tabs. So both ProQuest and Ex Libris knowledge articles will be shown here in their respective tabs when they're associated with a case. If there's any ProQuest knowledge articles mentioned in the case, they will show under the knowledge articles tab. And if there are any Ex Libris knowledge articles mentioned in the case, they will show in the linked knowledge Ex Libris tab as well. So the following buttons here on the right-hand side show features that allow you to facilitate case resolution. So the first one is the close case button, does exactly what it says on the box, it closes the case. The second one is the pending customer testing button, and this allows you to stop work on the case so you can do any testing you may need to do before moving it forward in the resolution timeline. This action also changes the status to pending customer testing and will set the case to be open for 11 months if there's no further action on the case. The third is the escalate button. So if a case is not progressing to your satisfaction for any particular reason, you can escalate it and it will bring it to the support team manager's attention. You can also add a comment as to why you're escalating the case, but please note that escalation via email is still available, and I'll talk about that a little bit more in the See Helpful Links slide further in the presentation. There's also a printable view button, which allows you to print the case details, or you can paste them into Excel or save them to a PDF using whatever existing operating system print features you have in your own local system. And then it's worth noting that when you close a case, the clone button will appear. And this is really handy if you need to report back some more work that needs to be done on a particular case once it's closed. So when cloning a case, you can add a comment indicating why you're cloning that case. And it's important to note that a cloned case is considered a brand new case, but it will contain all of the historical data of the original case that it's cloned from. We've also reduced the number of statuses and simplified them. Again, new, relatively simple. It's a new case. In progress means our support teams are investigating the case. The case may be set to pending, which means it's waiting for the customer or a non-support action. And there's a couple of, I guess, sub-statuses related to that, including customer input, development, content operations, customer testing, work plan, release, and product review. There's the update received, reopened status, which means that there's been a new comment received from the customer. Awaiting customer confirmation means that support has provided a response that they believe addresses the reported query and are just waiting for confirmation that that's the case. And then obviously closed, which means that the case is being closed. There's a full list of the case statuses available in the helpful links area as well.